hot dogs, kikiam, fish balls. May Filipino street food with me. So I'm buying chicharon bulaklak. Super sarap yan. This is frutas. My favorite shake growing up. Ang sarap din ng lalo nila. So that's what I'm ordering. Tender juicy. Ang sarap din yan.
Flavor yan.
Yeah, sausage balls. Guys, so yung chili mansi, ito siya. Favorite ko ng college ako. Super nabubusog na kami dito. I also ordered a squid ball, fish ball, kikiam, hotdog. Taste test time! Let's start yung pancit canton. It's been years na nakakain ako nito. I'm excited! Ang sarap. Tapos, prepare natin siya with hot dogs, kikiam, fish balls. The experience is not complete if wala nitong sauce na to. So, I got the spicy sauce. Potato corner. Ang favorite ko talaga, itong chicharon bulaklak. Sarap. Yung hotdog masarap na siya ng walang sauce. Fruta shake na melon. Ito yung lagi ko in-order. Sour cream and cheese. So, I'll enjoy na. Thanks for watching.